English is the language of business. It helps you connect with the world. When you speak English, you can work with people from different countries. This is important in today's global economy. Many companies do business in English. They need people who can communicate effectively. If you want to work for a big company, you need to speak English. This is true for many different fields, like technology, finance, and tourism. English helps you access information. You can read books, websites, and articles in English. This gives you more knowledge and helps you learn new skills. The internet is mostly in English. You need English to use the internet effectively. English opens doors to international markets. When you speak English, you can work abroad, you can connect with clients and customers worldwide. This can lead to exciting job opportunities. Speaking English often means a higher salary. People who speak English well are in high demand. Companies are willing to pay more for these skills. This is true in many countries. English allows you to work in tourism. The tourism industry is huge. Millions of tourists travel the world every year. Hotels, restaurants, and airlines need English speakers. English helps you communicate clearly at work. You can share your ideas and understand your colleagues. You can build strong relationships with clients and customers. This helps you succeed in your career. If you want to move up in your career, learn English. Many companies require English for promotions. They want managers who can communicate with global teams. English makes you more competitive in the job market. When you speak English, you have more job options. You are more likely to find a job that you love. Improving your English is a smart investment. It is an investment in your future. The more you practice, the better you will become. There are many ways to improve your English. You can take classes, watch movies, or read books. You can also practice speaking with native speakers. Learning English takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. English can help you achieve your dreams. English is a powerful tool. It can help you achieve financial success. It can also open up a world of opportunities.